Are you facing the challenge required error on Instagram on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to solve this challenge required error on your iPhone. So let's solve it right now. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. Turn off any VPN connection if you activate it. Try login via a browser. Solution 1. Offload Instagram app. First, open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the Instagram app. If you don't find the Instagram here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on Instagram. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 2. Log out from all devices. Open up the Instagram app, then tap on Profile from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the 3 horizontal line in the top right. Now tap Account Center. Then tap Password and Security. Now if you look at it below, you will see the option called Where You're Logged In. Tap on it. Here, select your Instagram account from the list. You will now see a list of all devices, locations, and also the approximate times your Instagram account is currently active. The first entry will usually say, "This device" next to your iPhone. Review the rest of the list. Tap Select Devices to log out at the bottom. Then tap Select All. After that, tap the Log Out button at the bottom. And then tap Log Out again to confirm. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. Press and hold on the Instagram app. Tap Remove App. Then tap Delete App. Again tap Delete. Now go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon. Type Instagram. Here you can see the Instagram. Tap on it. Then you will see the install icon. Tap on it. Wait for a while. It will be installed. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your problem is solved now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.